Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about how to make $10,000 a month in an online business. Now, this is mainly for people who are promoting business opportunities or they're promoting a network marketing opportunity. This is the type of video that you need to watch because I'm going to reveal a well-known secret in the make money online industry. Okay, now you've probably seen these top earners on YouTube and on Facebook and on Instagram talking about how they're making tens of thousands of dollars per month, and they just joined this business opportunity, and you're wondering, how are they able to make so much money so quickly? Okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly how they're able to do that. Now, these top earners, they're always in the top 10 of the leaderboards of whatever company that they're promoting. Okay, and the reason that they're able to do that, to make tens of thousands of dollars a month as soon as they join an opportunity, is because they have something that you don't. And what they have is a following. They have a following, and they have built their followings in a variety of ways. Some of these top earners have built their followings on YouTube. They have thousands of people, even tens of thousands of people, some even 100,000 or more people following them, subscribe to their YouTube channel. They watch their YouTube videos, and a portion of those people, a small percentage of those people join them in an opportunity. Okay, and that's one way where they're able to make 10,000 or more per month in their online business. Another way is some of these top earners, they've created a following on Facebook. Facebook allows you to have 5,000 friends on there, and even if you have 5,000 friends, you can still have thousands of people who are following you on Facebook. There's a follow button that you can put on your Facebook profile, and if they're not friends with you on Facebook, those people can just click that follow button and they can follow your Facebook posts. So a lot of these top earners who are really successful on Facebook, they have 5,000 friends, and then they have thousands, even tens of thousands of people who are just following them, following their Facebook posts on Facebook. And they're able to generate leads and get people signed up into their business opportunities that way. Another way is through paid advertising. Some people are able to build an email list using paid advertising, and they can use free advertising methods too to do this, but they build an email list. So that's how they create their following. They build an email list of tens of thousands of people. They can have 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 people on their email list. When they join a business opportunity, all they have to do is send out a couple of emails over a course of 2-3 days, and then they'll get a certain portion of the people on their email list to join them in that opportunity, and that's how they're making 10,000 or more per month in that particular business. So that's how these top earners are able to make so much money, is because they have a large following. Now, if you're just starting out in an online business, or you just joined a business opportunity, you're not going to have that kind of following. Okay, you probably don't have a following at all. So how are you able to make $10,000 a month in an online business? Well, you're not going to do it overnight. It's not get rich quick. You're going to be starting off at the very bottom, really. And just to keep things in perspective, these top earners, they start off just right where you are right now. Okay, there was a time when they did not have a following. They had to build a following, and it took some time for them to build that following. And that's what's going to happen with you. You have to take the time needed in order to build your following on whatever platform that you feel comfortable with. Some people like Facebook, they'll build their following on Facebook. Some people like YouTube, they build their following on YouTube. Some people like doing paid traffic, solo ads, whatever, and they want to build an email list, so they build their following through an email list, which I think is the best way, building through an email list, because you can go back to those people over and over again and offer a variety of products and services to them. Okay, but whichever way you choose to build a following, you have to be consistent in building that following every single day. Okay, so that, because the more and more people you expose your business to, your business opportunity to, the more chances you have of generating leads and then turning some of those leads into conversions, sign-ups in your opportunity, sales for whatever products or service that you're promoting. Okay, so it will take some time. It does not get rich quick. It'll take some time. You have to be committed to doing this every single day consistently and be patient with it in order to get to a point where you're making $100 a day, then $1,000 a week, then $10,000 a month and more. This is how the top earners are able to be successful, are able to make that kind of money, because in the beginning, when they first started, they were consistent in building their following, and they were patient enough to keep going even if they didn't see the results yet. Because I guarantee you, you're not going to see the results in the beginning at first, and you're going to want to quit. I quit so many times in the past, okay, before I knew all of this, because I was joining one business opportunity after another, before I finally realized that I got to build a following first if I want to be successful in any of these opportunities I'm in. Only the top earners are able to jump from one opportunity to another over and over again and make money from every single one because they already have the following. But before they got to being top earner status, they started off where you're at. Okay? They start off at the bottom, building up their following, building their email list, building their following on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You know, some people are starting to build their following on TikTok now. I don't know anything about TikTok, okay? So I don't have the numbers on that, whether that's successful or not. But wherever you decide to build your following, stick to it and do it every day. Okay? And if you don't know much about how to build a following, don't worry about that right now. I'm going to show you a program that'll help you to build your following, to build your email list. Again, having an email list is very, very important if you want to be able to make sales and to get signups in your business. Okay, so you'll learn more about that in a little bit. But there's this program called Bulletproof. Okay, it's a new program that came out a couple of weeks ago, and it was created by Discover Heal's CEO, Stephen Munson. That's this guy right here, and he's very successful in online marketing. He's made millions of dollars so far, and he created this program called Bulletproof that teaches you how to create an online business that's reliable, that's long-term, that's stable, and that you can work this business from anywhere in the world. Not just from home, but if you're traveling, you can still work this business. And he teaches you the fundamentals, because if you don't have these fundamentals, then you're not going to be successful. Okay? So, this whole thing, this bulletproof system, is a step-by-step training on exactly how to set up your own money-making business from home. Now, I talked a lot about these business opportunities that the top earners, they jump from one opportunity to another, to another, to another. And a lot of those opportunities don't last long. They last maybe 6 months to a year, and then they're gone because the top earners have made all of the money they need to make, and then they dump it and move on to something else. That happens a lot in this industry, this make money online industry. You don't want to be involved in those type of opportunities. You want a business that will be long-term, that you can pass on. If you have children, you can pass it on to your children or grandchildren. You want a stable, reliable business, long-term, that will secure your financial future for your later years. That's why I have an online business, because I want a stable financial future. I want financial freedom for myself. Replace my income from my job and do my business full time, and not have to worry about having money in the future, like 20 years from now when I'm in my 60s. I don't have to rely on social security. Don't know if it's still going to be around 20 years from now. And even if it is, it's not going to be enough for me to live a comfortable lifestyle. That's why I have an online business. So what you're going to learn in Bulletproof, there's 3 steps. Mindset. You got to get your mindset right before you start an online business. Because if you have a negative mindset, if you have a failure mindset, if you have an employee mindset, it's going to be difficult for you to be successful in your business. Now, with the step one mindset, you're going to learn how to rewire your mind to align with abundance, happiness, and greatness. Learn how to create a rock solid foundation so that no matter what happens in your life, you will always find ways to win. Step two is traffic. And we're not talking about traffic on the street. We're talking about getting people to see your offer. That's what traffic is in the online world. Discover why traffic is the lifeblood of any business. Learn the inside tips and techniques that will get thousands of visitors to your pre-built website and help you earn huge. Okay? And the third part is conversions. You can't have sales unless you learn how to convert those leads into sales. See how to take your website visitors and turn them into cold hard cash. Learn the right ways to follow up on autopilot with your visitors, getting them to know, like, and trust you so they will buy from you. Okay? So who will benefit from the Bulletproof system? Anyone who has failed in the past, anyone who needs step-by-step instruction, anyone who needs a community to help support and guide them. They have a Facebook group that you can join, and there's plenty of people in there who will help you and encourage you as you go through your online business journey. Anyone who is ready for their breakthrough, and anyone who is ready to understand what it actually takes to win online. Okay, and now there's 3 bonuses that come with the Bulletproof program. The first bonus is one-on-one coaching, private one-on-one coaching with a live marketing specialist to help you launch your business, $997 value. Bonus number 2, Mastery Action Plan. PDF files, your 7-day online marketing mastery action, $197 value. Bonus number 3, Turnkey Global Business. Stephen Munson's automated mobile business that gives you freedom and flexibility, $297 value. I have this mobile business that Stephen Munson has created, and it gives you everything you need. So if you're a beginner and being in a business, you don't know much about starting an online business and how to grow your online business, and if you are looking for a business opportunity to join, then I highly recommend joining this one, because with his automated mobile business, you're getting a marketing system, a complete marketing system that you can use. It has capture pages, which are opt-in pages. Don't worry if you don't know what that is. You'll learn about that when you get the Bulletproof system. You get sales pages. You get email follow-up series. You get traffic. Okay, so you don't have to worry about trying to find traffic on your own. They have traffic available that you can use in order to generate leads, and then the email follow-up series will help to convert those leads into sales. Okay, so you'll get all of that, a turnkey business. That's your bonus number 3. Okay, so yes, there are people who are making $100 a day, $1,000 a week, and $10,000 a month in this opportunity. Okay, so how much does it cost? Less than $10. I've gone through this course. Let me show you the dashboard here. This is the dashboard for Bulletproof System. You have several mindset videos here. You want to go through this first. You got to work on your mindset first, and then move on to traffic. Okay, you got several traffic videos here. It goes over all about traffic, so you don't have to worry if you don't know that much right now. Stephen will show you what to do, and there's some PDF downloads here for you. And then the third part, conversions. Again, if you don't know how to convert your leads into sales, then you're going to end up failing in your business. Stephen Munson shows you how to get conversions in your opportunity or whatever you're promoting. Okay, and there's several PDF downloads for that. Okay, so that's Bulletproof, $9.97, plus you get those 3 bonuses. So if you're ready to get started with Bulletproof, learn how to build your online business, learn how to build an email list, learn how to do all of that, and follow up with your leads, providing value to your leads, allowing those leads to get to know, like, and trust you. These are all the things that the top earners learned to do. Okay, how to build your following, all of that. If you're ready for that, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. It'll take you to a page where you put in your email address, and then after that you'll be taken to this page, and there'll be a countdown clock here of about a minute. After that minute, it'll turn into this Become Bulletproof button. Just click on that button and go ahead and purchase Bulletproof for $9.97. Okay? Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make $10,000 a month in an online business, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.